Okay, I get 2 packages in the mail today, so I thought I'd do a couple unboxings. Let's see, I gotta make sure my name and address is covered up on the boxes. Hang on, I'll be right back. The first package has a pair of sandals, and I just bought them used on eBay because it's much cheaper that way. Oh, yeah, they're pretty used, but I think they'll work. I don't care. I just need them for a week. See if they fit me. I know some people don't like to get used shoes. I don't care. It doesn't bother me. Does it bother you? Tell me, would you wear somebody's used shoes? We'll see. We'll see. They were cheap, so, or very inexpensive. And then, in this box, move it this way. You want to see what I got? I got a piece of paper. They say thank you. Ooh, when I sell stuff on eBay, I don't even put a note in the box. I just ship it out. It's a backpack, a Cotopaxi backpack. I've been looking at these for some time. I know I bought that other backpack, the Osprey Farview 40 liter, and I do like that. But I'm also looking at these. This one's smaller. This is a Cotopaxi 28 liter. It's the old style. You can tell because it doesn't have the word Cotopaxi. And I've just read such good things about it. And so I put in a lowball bid on eBay and they accepted it. I thought, you know how many auctions, or not auctions, because they're buy it nows, and I put in lowball. My dog is here. Hi, Natty. Hi, Natty Gann. I think it's Natty. Are you Natty or are you Wilder? That's Wilder. Okay, no wonder he's not listening. Back up, Wilder. Oh, sit. Okay. No, I sometimes, especially lately, I can't tell my dogs apart. Oh, here's my other little dog. Oh, just my other little dog. It's not my favorite color, but it wasn't the worst. And Cotopaxi, they have all kinds of mixed colors sometimes, and their description said they'd only used it a couple times. And the thing about the Cotopaxi is it's the clamshell design. I'll show you in a minute what that means. But it's divided up inside into different sections. So the older model, which some people like and some don't, has this pocket here, which you can just put some, I don't know what you could put in it, but right now what it's got in it, it's got the rain cover. So it comes with the rain cover. So if you're going to be somewhere where it's wet weather and you're outside a lot, you might want to have this with you. See this? It has the llama head and it says Cotopaxi. That's what the new style backpack has. It has the name underneath it. So that was kind of a cool bonus because a lot of the backpacks I've been looking at on eBay don't have the rain cover included for the price. So that was a good deal. So it has this little pocket. I suppose you could put anything in here if you didn't want to put the rain cover in here. You know, so if you're traveling someplace where you don't think you'll be in the rain. And I think this covering is kind of water resistant. So it's got the straps and it's got a sternum strap. The one I used to take traveling with me all the time, it didn't have a sternum strap, and I would pack it full when I'd go through the airport or something. And it would just, it would slide all over. And with the sternum strap, it kind of holds it in place. And then the other thing about this is it also has a hip belt. And while it's not removable, let me open this up for you. You can take this hip belt and you can tuck it away. And I found with my big Osprey bag that I've yet to use the hip belt. I thought, you know, if I got stuck someplace and, okay, so let's say the end of the world happens and you're stuck someplace and you gotta hike with it, then I wanted the hip belt. It'd be really comfortable. And this is supposed to be a really comfortable backpack too. So the hip belt, you can just pack it away and it's not in the way. Where the other backpack I have, and it doesn't really pack away very well. This is really exciting. So now let me show you what the clamshell is. This is kind of an odd angle, but okay. Well, I guess I could start here. There's this pocket, like a grab pocket on the top. And if you put stuff in it, yes, it's probably going to take space inside, but that's okay. It's got this key hook, and people complained with this model that it's just loose here when they could have put it inside. If there's a zipper area here, see a zipper area? Ooh, that's cool. It's got little pockets in the zipper area too. I don't know if I can show you because it's black in there. But I think so on the new model, they put this key holder inside there so it's not sliding all around. But you know what? I could just remove this and I could sew it inside there if that really bothers me that it's loose. But I like this. It's got these little pockets you can put stuff that you need to get. You can put your passport and stuff in here if you're traveling overseas, which I will be doing soon. Overseas? Yes. So it's got, I like this because this size fits under the airline seat. It's designed to do that. So I could put my snacks in here or my battery pack if I needed it for the flight. So some airplanes now have USB chargers right in the seats in front of you. Some don't, but I always carry a battery pack with me anyway. So I could put that in there, whatever you want to put in there. That's a great idea. So then, let's see. Oh, it's got big zippers. So this is what they mean by clamshell. It opens. You know I haven't opened this yet. You've seen this for the first time. I'm seeing this for the first time. I've only watched videos. It opens and it's like a clam. On the inside, well now do you remember where I put that rain cover? See, that takes up packing space on the inside. And it's got a zippered spot here. Do you see this? So you can pack your stuff in here. Right now it's kind of flat, but look, it's deep. And it's got a spot here that you can put stuff in. I don't know how many days I could pack in here. And now this is that inside, you know, that top snack pouch goes in there. But you can put a lot of stuff in here. And there's another little bag. And, okay, so that's the inside. I'm gonna have to test out these zippers later. Hold on a second. Let's see. It feels comfortable. And that's what I've heard about these bags, that they feel comfortable. So that's exciting. Now, one more thing to show you. Hold on. Like I said, this is new to me. It's a used bag, but it's new to me. But it does have a laptop compartment right here on the side. So you can open it. It's got nice padding. Let's see if it has, it does, not much padding between your laptop on the bottom, but there's kind of a little level there. But this looks really easy, like you'll be eating. Oh, it's got Velcro and it's got a separate pouch here. And if you're not taking a laptop with you, you could put a jacket in here. You could put all kinds of stuff in here. I'm looking forward to using it, or maybe my husband will use it because he needs something, or even my son. It's a color that I think either one of them would want to use. Yeah, look at this. It's got blue here and red. I'm excited. I'm going on a trip. Stick around. More fun and exciting things coming your way. I really need a tripod for somebody to help me record.